how to fix oops, something went wrong error on X or Twitter. So if you want to fix oops, something went wrong error on your X or Twitter, then what you need to do is first you need to switch to your mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi, or you need to switch to your Wi-Fi if you're using your mobile data. For that, launch your settings. Now over here, you will find an option of Wi-Fi. You need to go and connect to a Wi-Fi. If you don't have your Wi-Fi, you need to go and connect to your mobile data. Or you can go with forget this network and then again reconnect it. And after reconnecting, your problem might be fixed. Second solution is to update the application. So you need to go back to your App Store, go with search. Under search, you need to search for X or Twitter. Once you find the application, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Just update it to the latest version. Or if that still doesn't fix, then you can go back and use the web version of the X application. So go with your Google or your browser, any option that you're comfortable with. Go with search. Under search, you can go with X or Twitter. Tap on x.com. Go and log in to your account. And it will take you to the login page. Now from here, just simply go and log into your account. And you can type in your X account credentials and your problem will be fixed. Or you can just simply go and delete your X application. After deleting the application from your device, you need to again go and install the application from your App Store or your Play Store. And after that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.